Come here, dude. Draco, come here. Let me see your toy. Let me see. Oh, okay. It was not my mommy's coat. It was the fur, and I put it in the dryer, and now it looks like a doggy's toy. Oh my, dude. Come here, man. Chill out. Can you come here? No? Alright, no more food. No more fetch then. We're done. Perfect. Come here. Come here, the wind knocked that. Good, now sit. Come here and sit. It's just the wind. It's okay. Come here, sit. It's okay. Sit. All right. Great. Sit, dude. Do you give love? Yes. Downloading these codes so we feel better. Have a happy day. Yes. Many blessings.